So you've seen the new easy expired domains and you want access to it, you want free access to it. Well, if you're a customer of Domain Hunter Gatherer Pro, you already can access it without having to upgrade or pay anything extra. So it's really simple. All you need to do is link up your DHG account with your EED account, and that will somehow magically give you access to Easy Expired Domains Pro. So you'll get access to all of the domain search with the 55 million domains or more, all with the Majestic, Moz, SEMrush, Wayback Machine, stats, DOM detailer stats, how could I forget, along with the backlinks, and all this other amazing information. And it covers auction domains, closeouts, expiring domains, pending deletes, expired domains, fully expired domains that are just available to register. So linking these two accounts up is really simple. All you need is a free Easy Expired Domains account and your Domain Hunter Gatherer Pro account. So I'm going to walk through exactly how you can link these two up now. So first, you're going to want to go to Easy Expired Domains. And from here, go to the members area and either create a new account if you don't have one already, or log into your free account. Okay, this can be done with any account. So if you don't want to pay extra, you might want to get the free account. And then once you've logged into that, in the members dashboard, you want to look for the settings. Then in here, you want to scroll down the page a bit until you see the Domain Hunter Gatherer Pro Access section. Now from here, you need to be clicking on the Open DHG link page. And as you can see, this opens up a page on the DHG website. And then from here, you want to log into your DHG account. Again, this is on the DHG website. This is not on Easy Expired Domains, so you're not sharing your account usernames or passwords between the sites. So once you've logged in, it will come up with this here. Simply click Continue to Easy Expired Domains. It will take you back to the EED website. And then here you can see access source is now Domain Hunter Gatherer Pro and the link is active. Now scrolling back up, if we go back to the dashboard here, you can see that we now have access to a pro account on EED with all the searches and all the stats included with the domains. And it's really that simple. Now you have access to Easy Expired Domains using your Domain Hunter Gatherer Pro account. This is one of the benefits of Domain Hunter Gatherer Pro that I've always tried to push, is that any upgrades to the programs, tools included in Domain Hunter Gatherer Pro, all users will get access to those updated tools and features. So this isn't an upsell for Domain Hunter Gatherer Pro, this is included. So there, that's it. Nice and simple. All you have to do if you have a DHG Pro account is sign up for a free account at easyexpireddomains.com and then link the two accounts up and you will have full access to an EED Pro account right there. So I hope that's helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm going to be showing you how to use some of the tools to get great domains and see what sort of domains are the best ones for you. So if you have any requests for videos on how to use this, it's a whole new tool. So there's bound to be a lot of questions that you might have about how to use it more effectively. So if you have any questions, put them in the comments below or get in touch via the website at easyexpireddomains.com. Yeah, hope you have a good one. I'm going to get off now. Stop talking. Bye.